There are multiple ways how robotics and AI can help on the sustainability journey. One of the obvious pieces is that we are learning how to bring our product as close to the customer that reduces distances and then having it available in a short sequence, as this is also what the customers require us to do. And on the robotics side, it's in particular helping to make the work life for the associates easier, in particular where we have areas with challenging ergonomics that then the robots are coming to help in these domains, and that makes it again more reliable and an easier to work environment. Our customers want to have their product in a perfect condition, which means that we need to protect the product in many cases through the journey through our network. The packaging that is required has evolved over time quite a bit, and so since 2015 we have been able to reduce our packaging need per shipped unit by 43%, which is more than 3 million metric tons in packaging material. We have switched to recycled materials already quite a while back, and also phased out any of plastic packaging we used still a few years back. And the other critical piece is, of course, on the sustainability journey, to get the packaging to fit the size of the product. And in the early days, we were only having a few packaging sizes, and the things which we are introducing also here today are showcasing that we are now in a position to basically adjust the packaging size to the size of the product, which reduces the overall space it requires in the transportation chain. Our zero-emission fleet today goes from cargo bikes all the way to 40-ton trucks when we look at the European space, but it's similar in other geographies like North America or India, where we are expanding our low-emission, zero-emission fleet continuously. So the long-distance transportation is, of course, by far the area with the biggest carbon impact, and it's also the area which is most difficult to decarbonize. As you can see, we have been able to move already much faster and further in the last mile part than in the middle mile part, but we are working along partnerships with different startups to help advancing also in the long distance transportation segments faster than we have been able so far.